Hey everyone, Troy Hurd with Cedar Creek Dulcimers again. Say, you're watching song number 2 in our Dulcimer karaoke series. Now, a few things I want to show you before we play our next tune. Number 1, on this video, I'm going to be using my traditional dulcimer because I want you to know that you don't have to have an electric dulcimer to play along with these backing tracks. But if you do want to have a little more fun with all of this, if you happen to have a karaoke machine, you can actually plug your phone into the auxiliary on the karaoke machine, or if it's got Bluetooth, you can Bluetooth your phone to the karaoke machine, so all the music is coming through the karaoke machine. Then you could do one or two things. You could either take your microphone and put it to your dulcimer and record your dulcimer that way, or in the shop, Jeremy sells these very inexpensive transducer pickups. Now, it's got a suction cup on the one side, but personally, when I'm amplifying my dulcimer, I don't like to use the suction cup. I use this stuff called poster putty or handy tack. I put that on the back side, then I just stick it right to my instrument. Then you can plug it right into the machine. The idea is for all your music to be coming out of the same speaker, and it makes you feel more like you're part of the band. Now, if you don't happen to have a karaoke machine though, a less expensive version is, in lesson number 3, more about chords, I show this little device called a Karoke. It's a little inexpensive effects pedal that I use on a lot of the videos. Now in there I show you how you can once again plug your phone in or Bluetooth your phone in to get all the backing tracks inside. Then if you've got your transducer pickup, then you could plug that into the Karoke as well. So once again, all the music gets blended together and comes out all at the same time. Now, one or two things you could do with this. You can either plug in some headphones, which is kind of nice for practicing, because that way you get to hear the full blend of all the music, but everybody else doesn't have to listen to your rehearsal time. Or if you plug into the output, then it'll go right into speakers or an amplifier if you so choose. Now, speaking of amplifiers though, there are amplifiers like this one, and if you have a little amplifier around, it may already have this. Okay, we can plug our instrument into here, but then once again, it has one of them auxiliary outlets that you can either plug your phone into or again, use the Bluetooth adapter to Bluetooth your phone in. So once again, all the music just comes out the same speaker. So that's just a little way you can have a little more fun with it and actually put on some concerts for people if you wanted to. Now, one other thing I wanted to show real quick before we play this song. In this tune, one of the exercises I want us to learn is the different voices on your dulcimer. Now, you may have already discovered that, but in case you didn't know, by picking in different areas of your dulcimer has a different voice to it. So on this song, we're going to play one of the melodies where we're picking in one spot. We're going to play another melody picking in another spot, and another verse picking in a different spot, just so you can get used to accessing those different voices your dulcimer has. And for later use and for other songs you're going to play, what's handy about this is that you may try some different voices on different songs, and you may decide, well, it sounds better when I play this tune in this area. In this song, it sounds better when I play that tune in this area. So anyway, enough jibber jabber. Let's get into playing our next song.